To set the upper limit custom height, press and hold the up arrow until your desk reaches the desired maximum height. Simultaneously, press and hold the up arrow and the set button until high is displayed on the switch. To set the lower limit custom height, press and hold the down arrow until the desk reaches the desired minimum height. Simultaneously, press and hold the down arrow and the set button until low is displayed on the switch. To clear the custom height settings, simultaneously press and hold the up arrow, down arrow, and set buttons until CLR is displayed on the switch.